Hello sir and hello everyone. My name is Carl Dustin Alonso from BSIT 1A. Barangay Generalim is one of the most beautiful sceneries here in Orion. Generalim also have a good view of the Mount Samat Shrine, and it serves very good purpose in Barangay Generalim because Mount Samat blocks the heavy wind from the storm that causes huge disaster from the people of Generalim. And Generalim also has its own heritage, like the statue of Generalim located in Generalim Elementary School. Also, the barangay captain and its associate are doing everything they can to make Barangay Generalim a better place for all its people.